Good day, everyone, and welcome to Cad-Cafe. On this show, I'll be taking you through on the objectives of chamfering and filleting. Okay, so let's just get over to start our new drawing, and then let's just change our units to millimeters. So we'll be doing a drawing on the front plane. So let's just start a new sketch on the front plane, and then let's just use this for example, the corner rectangle. So you have to draw that first, and then you zoom in. All right, so this is the sketch fillet tool. Okay, so it rounds the corner at the intersection of two sketch entities, creating a tangent arc. So what that does is that at this intersection of two lines, okay, it will create an arc. It will create an arc. Okay, so and likewise here also now whichever join you want. Okay, so this actually works between two lines. Okay, so let's just go over to do an example of that. So click on the sketch fillet and then come over to this point. See that. And if you want to use shortcut, you can simply just highlight this. Okay. I don't know why that is not working, but it's supposed to work. Let's select. Oh, sorry. Uh, alright. Okay. So that is that. So this is how a fillet tool works. Okay. So this is filleting. You know, you cut this at a tangent arc, and then let's just quickly apply it to a polygon. So let's assume this is a polygon, and you want to use a fillet on it. Okay. You want to make these lines smooth. Okay. Not just sharp. Alright, so you just come by and click on there, or you just simply highlight, highlight all of this, likewise here too. So you to change it to right smooth lines, okay, smooth curves. Okay, so that is that for our filleting, and then you can actually go ahead. Let's just sketch a ball, and then so you can actually just go ahead and apply it here too. Just see that. Now, if I try to increase this, it will tell me an error. It will give me an error. Okay, so the resulting selections conflict. Please fillet each segment end only once. Please fillet each segment end only once without intersecting edge adjacent fillet. Okay, so what this means is that if you continue increasing this fillet size, okay, it will actually intersect with this other fillet. Okay, now while filleting, you're not supposed to remove any part totally. Okay, so if actually I continue filleting, increasing the fillet arc length, okay, this horizontal part will completely be taken off. Okay, so which is not supposed to be so. That wasn't what you were supposed to achieve. Okay, so you just wanted to just make this line between this line and this line a curve. Okay, or create a curve between it such that it will be smooth, not just this sharp edge. Okay, all right. So that would actually not be allowed if you try to increase it. Okay, but you can actually decrease it. Let's just use 5. Okay, all right. See that. All right, so now let me just go back to the example and then try to edit this fillet, the sketch. Let's see how to edit this. Okay, All right, let's just go ahead and sketch another rectangle. All right, so okay, this is a rectangle, and then you want to fillet it, and of course you highlight all the sides, and then now if I try to increase this size, it's giving me an error. Okay, so because if I let me even use 10 to see if it work. See, it's not working. Wait, let's use 6 to work. Okay, then let's try 8. It will work, but if I try 9 or 10, I doubt it if it will work. And work now. If I try 10, obviously it won't work because 10 will actually just let me just show something. See that? Now the vertical line is still there. But if I try to use 10, increase the millimeters to 10, the the arc distance dimension to 10 millimeters, okay, actually it will give me an error because this line will be totally taken off, which is not supposed to be so. Okay, so let me just try that again. And let's just try to fillet it. All right, so let's increase to 10. See it. Please, it's giving me error. Okay, it won't work. All right, so that's so I can actually stop on 9. All right, so you can see that now. Look at how our fillet has turned out. So we almost achieved the same thing with a like slot. Okay, so and this is actually the beauty of all these sketch tools. Okay, you can achieve so many things with it. All right, so let's head over to our chamfer. Once again, let's just go ahead and then create a rectangle. And difference between chamfering and filleting is that chamfering is simply cut the edge of this between these two lines. Okay, so just simply cut it with a straight line instead of using an arc. So let's just use our saying that saying that seeing what that has done. Okay, so you can see that. So that's the difference. Okay, so let's just go ahead and apply it to our polygon and see what it would do to our polygon. So see that. See what it has done to our polygon. See that. So that's the difference between chamfering and filleting. So that is all for this tutorial. Don't forget to like and comment if you have any problem. And you could see that all of this is done in one sketch file. Okay, so this is actually one sketch file. So I'm doing all of this and drawing different drawing in one sketch file. All right, so you know that. Okay, so but I can actually do it differently on different sketch files. All right, so thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.